Sur Express go for the extension in this rematch for supremacy. Again, this is game 4 of the best of 5 final series. Taguig leads 2-1. While the Generals fielding a starting unit of Harvey Subrabas, a surprise starter, Mike Sampurna, Jonas Lontok, LJ Mayo, and Chris Azares. The Generals missed their opening shot here. Magpantay. Verman magpantay for 3. Another solid. Magpantay. Subrabas, lead pass to Sampurna. No good. Lontok, another offensive rebound and the finish this time. Verman to Malyapre inside. Working his way against Lontok. Malyapre finds the space and scores with a short. Sampurna. Harvey Subrabas again seeing action after missing last game. Immediate impact. Speedy. Lim setting up the horns play. Alexander Lim kicks it out to Dumagtoy on the right corner for 3. Kyle Dumagtoy. Trigger, no good there from long range. Subrabas lead pass to Sampurna. All alone down low. And the foul. Lontok trying to give it to Subrabas. Harvey, the long floater is good. Harvey Subrabas. They give it inside to Lontok. Lontok finding the cutters here, but he takes it himself. The spin move and the familiar turnaround jumper is good. Pulls up, but the jumper doesn't fall. Subrabas finds Sampurna again. Sampurna goes straight away again. Mike Sampurna. Malyapre, Vivares for 3. Familiar wing spot and a familiar result by 5. Mike to LJ. Mayo pulls up for the jumper and it is good. LJ Mayo takes it by himself but misses on that mid-range jumper. Malyapre scores inside. Huge break here for the Generals in case he can't come back. Mark Ordonez, no good. Natividad. The pull-up jumper is good for the Generals. Natividad, the spin cycle. The pull-up jumper is good. And that has been his go-to starter is Harvey Subrabas, helping them establish this 10-point lead. We'll be back for the second. Garing against Ordonez. Garing attacks and banks that one in. Jamba Garing. Garing setting up the play. Jamba inside to Redondo. Nice find inside for that short stop. Some offense here, but this time he was called for an offensive foul. Trying to force the issue that time. LJ Mayo, no good, but Jonas Lontok. Another offensive. Malyapre hands it off to Almario. Pull up 3-pointer is good. Jerome Harvey Subrabas for 3. In and out. And Malyapre tips it to Lim. And the lead pass to Magpantay. Easy basket down low. Verman Magpantay. Lontok catches the inbound pass. Sampurna inside to Lontok. Nice two-man game there. Yes, Lontok. Mayo against Aquino. Inside to Azares. Inside to Lontok. Nice find and the foul. 5 minutes gone by in the second quarter. Vivares, familiar wing spot. Familiar result. Lontok hands it off to Azares. Fakes the 3. Takes it closer and lays it up. Chris Azares shows you he can also. Azares. Azares again. Inside to Sampurna. Scores inside. What a tight angle there. But Mayo back to Sampurna. And Ayo intercepts. Joshua Ayo goes all the way. Joshua Ayo Defense. Sampurna looking for teammates. Skip pass to Subrabas. Harvey. The long one-hander is good. What a long floater there. Sampurna with a nice interception there. Subrabas. What nice ball movement there by the Generals down this time. Less than 3 minutes to go in the first half. Harvey, another one-hander, another make there. Harvey Subrabas back in the game here. Or Marco Lumberio rather, seeing action as Justin De La Cruz answers. Lumberio wants to slow things down. Vivares posting up Subrabas. That's a mismatch and he takes advantage. As Raf Vivares now puts the trigger, strong on the three. Now on the counter-attack is Vivares. Vivares with a left-hand finish. And Subrabas as we end the first half with a 5-point lead by the Generals. As a quick foul on LJ Mayo. Dumagtoy tries to open the scoring and he does. Sampurna tuluntok. Sampurna, the jumper is good. As Mike Sampurna proving he can also a teammate. And the steal by Dumagtoy. Lead pass. Justin De La Cruz goes all the way for two. And the crowd keeps it alive. Subrabas pressure by Justin De La Cruz. Mayo to the corner. Azares for three. Chris Azares again takes it himself for three. Short. Malyapre tracks it down. Dumagtoy another three. Another make. Kyle Dumagtoy. Output by Generals but can't do so. De La Cruz open for three. Knocks it down. Justin De La Cruz. Crowd goes wild here. Vivares with the steal. Vivares all the way. Vivares again but loses the leather. Subrabas lead pass to Lontok and gets the bounce there and the foul. Some pressure by the Generals. Inside, nice alley-oop finish by Yuji. Sampurna grabs the board. Mayo. Sampurna all day for three. And he buries it. Mike Sampurna. Answer, he can't. Azares tracks it down. Subrabas, they have numbers. Harvey pulls up. The one-hander is good. And Harvey Subrabas. All-pointer is Joshua Ayo. Harvey, another mid-ranger, doesn't work. Mayo this time gets that bounce. Shantai attacking, losing the possession there. And Sampurna on the other end loses it, but still gets it to go. A 9-0 run. Fourth at the gig. And Vivares ends that 9-0 run. You can see me ending that 9-0 burst by the Generals. Cutting the lead to 4. Mayo pulls up for three. What a rare three-pointer. And nice strong drive there by LJ Mayo. But he upped off to Natividad. Natividad inside, tried to go for the alley-oop there. Now it's Vivares all alone for the finish. Tugaring. Jamba for three. No good for that on that three there. Another chance and another make. As for the Express. Subrabas. Long jumper doesn't work. Noel Santos, the offensive board. And he gets that 50-50 ball and the pick for the Express. Malyapre. The fake. Back outside. Vivares for three. And he knocks it down. Natividad inbounding and the nice interception there by Vivares. Now Garing attacking. Drops it to Almario for the finish. and one. So one more, and Express are also in the limit. Ordonez with a fake. The jumper is good. So basic move there, Mark. By three defenders there. Vincent Malyapre. Almario, the fake, the shot. Doesn't fall. The offensive rebound and the finish. Almost a turnover there. Sampurna. Sampurna attacks. Hits. What a tough shot. The Forest Hunter. As they take this 3-point lead entering the fourth and final quarter. We'll be back. Alive. Another chance here for the Generals. Sampurna outside. Mayo for three. Knocks it down. LJ Mayo. Santos. Sampurna. Mayo, another three. Another make. LJ Mayo. What the three-pointers here? Already with 5 compared to the 11 by the Express. As Almario can't answer, but Vincent Malyapre down low. Put back. Completo attacking and drawing the foul and one. David complete 3 team fouls for the home team. It's still over 9 minutes remaining in this game. Lontok. Jumper is good from the corner. Nice. Ordonez. Completo on the corner. Completo posting up. Now, what a fall away jumper there. Wow, that shot brings it back outside. Ordonez inside to Lontok against Malyapre. Loses it, but Mayo was there to finish that one. Magpantay for 3. No good. Ribares this time. Finally trying to pick up from what the victory here. But this game is far from over. Kamsur still trying to make a comeback. But Jonas Lontok continues to silence the crowd. The jumper is way short. Verman Magpantay now on the counter-attack. Almario for 3. Knocks it down. It's not yet over. As he thought there was some contact there. Azares and the steal by Verman Magpantay, who threw it down. Verman. Almario against Sobrabas. Almario for 3. Lista mo na! Jerome Almario. Mayo attacking. Kicks it back outside. Sampurna. Driving against Vibares. Sampurna. Strong drive and the finish. Good finish there for the Forest Hunter. Back to a 9-point game. Vibares tries to answer. And the floater is good. As Vibares tries to answer right here. 7-point lead and the steal. Magpantay. Skies for the layup. The lead is down to 5 points now. Another steal. Verman tries to go all the way again. Magpantay. What a run. Another chance here for the Express. Verman open for 3. Lista mo na! Tying the ball game right there. Verman doesn't use the screen against Natividad. Verman creates some space. The jumper trickles in. And Mario signaling a number 2 play. Open is Magpantay for 3. It's good! And 1! Verman Magpantay. And they don't foul now. So we will have, looks like we'll have a deciding game 5 here. They will run the floor, the timeout. And the final buzzer sounds. Wow, what a comeback. Being down by as many as 14 points. Verman Magpantay, who shouldered the load in the fourth and final quarter, leading to this 5-point victory. We'll be right back.